Hi there, I'm going to show you something very annoying in Notepad in Windows 11. Right now I'm doing a rewrite of this transcript and I will show you in English. Well, you can see it looks like crap, yeah. And it doesn't matter if I change the settings for the keyboard, if I make it slower or faster. Let's go to Notepad++ and do the same thing. You see, it's no problem at all. So fix this Microsoft Notepad. It was like the most important application for Windows for years. You could change a config file or do a simple HTML file or something like that. And now it doesn't work anymore. As you can see, this is Notepad++, and you can change a lot in this application. And right now I have turned off the enable auto completion on each input. And I have also changed to dark mode. And it's also possible to change the style if you want the font bigger for your view. So you got a lot of possibilities with the Notepad++. I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe and see you soon. Bye bye.